Hi friends, welcome to my channel Alekia Anudeep. Are you a newlywed couple looking for a honeymoon destination in India? You have come to the right place. What we have here is a compilation of best budget destinations in India for honeymoon. So you need not look anywhere else. In this list, we will explore places from all the deepest reaches of this vast country, from the famous to the lesser known, from north to the south. Let's get into our video. Best budget destinations in India for honeymoon. First one is Agra. What better way to start the list than the most romantic honeymoon destinations in India? That's also one of the most powerful reminders of love in the recorded history, the Taj Mahal. Agra is among the best budget destinations in India for honeymoon because of the obvious aesthetic of the place owing to the rustic aura and the tons of Mughal history there. This honeymoon place in India makes for a fabulous short and sweet 2 to 3 days long honeymoon on a very decent budget. Key attractions in Agra. The Taj Mahal on a full moon night is said to be especially romantic, which you must really not miss on your honeymoon in India. Other than that, for your day trips, you could visit the Agra Fort and Salim Chishti Dargah located in this lovely honeymoon destination in India. Approximate budget for a couple is around 4,000 for one day. Andaman, the exotic island union territory of India. Andaman Islands make for one of the best budget destinations in India for honeymoon. If you are the kind of people who enjoy beaches and take interest in tribal cultures, Andaman is just the right honeymoon destination in India for you. After all, it can't get more isolated than going to a remote island, disconnected from the country. Ideal for a romantic getaway. With beautiful corals, nice beaches and dense rainforest, Andaman is surely an ideal honeymoon place in India, which every couple, whether or not on their honeymoon in India, must visit. Key attractions in Andaman. Visit Radhanagar beach in the evening with your spouse for the perfect romantic setting, and Havelock beach for the perfect romantic dinner to make your honeymoon in India something to remember for life. Other than that, the capital city Port Blair is worth checking out and spending a couple of days in. Approximate budget for a couple is around 6,000 per day. Ooty. The best thing about India is really the variety of places for a vivid honeymoon in India that they are at your disposal. If you are someone who would rather enjoy altitudes as opposed to seashores, Ooty is the place for honeymoon in India made especially for you. Take the first step of your marital journey among the Nilgiris. The breathtaking natural beauty of Ooty is only amplified by the green tea plantations, the kind of beauty that is perfect to enjoy with your partner for an idyllic honeymoon in India. Key attractions in Ooty. The aspects that make this veritably romantic place in India one of the best budget destinations in India for honeymoon, as well as the Ooty Lake and the tea plantations. Amongst other places of interest are botanical gardens. Approximate budget for a couple is around 4,000 per day. Shimla. Keeping up our mountainous trend, next on our list is Shimla, a honeymoon place in Himachal that's colder than Ooty, but equally serenading honeymoon places in India. A place where it's always cold even during the summers. Shimla is one of the hottest honeymoon destinations in India, opted by most couples on a budget, and for good reason, as there are many places to see in Shimla. The scenic beauty and the chilly winds of Shimla make sure that the footfall of couples here is more than that of even locals. Key attractions in Shimla. If you are visiting Shimla between January and March, you will have the opportunity to enjoy winter sports activities like skiing in Kufri. Other than that, you can enjoy the picturesque sceneries and the weather of this romantic place in India with hot beverages and local food at good prices. Approximate budget for a couple is around 5,500 per day. Goa. The party capital of India is a perfect luxury destination in India for a modern day couple that would rather like to spend their golden days with beachside parties and sporty activities. Filled with awesome nightlife and with eateries and bars of many varieties, Goa is one of the best budget destinations in India for honeymoon who know how to party. Key attractions in Goa. The best way to enjoy this honeymoon destination in India with your loved one is by renting a two-wheeler and roaming around its lanes. Visit the many popular beaches which make for a wonderful place for honeymoon in India. There is no limit to how late you can enjoy the energy of Goa. Approximate budget for a couple is around 6,500 per day. Munnar. The visual setting of this honeymoon place in Kerala will make you feel like you are a part of a romantic Bollywood music video with its lush greenery and a rather filmy makeover. There are numerous places to visit in Munnar, from sprawling tea estates to fetching waterfalls and more. Together contribute to make this place one of the grandest honeymoon destinations in India. Everything including sightseeing and activities resting well within the capacity of your pocket is the reason why most newlyweds find this singularly romantic place in India as one of the best budget destinations in India for honeymoon. Key attractions in Munnar. Anamudi Hills and the various tea plantations make for a very relaxing spot to chill with your loved one. A soothing road trip around Anamudi Hills is also highly suggested. Approximate budget for a couple is around 4,500 per day. Alleppey. Not too far from our last entry on the list, Alleppey is another one of the best budget destinations in India for honeymoon that you can find in Kerala. If you are in the mood for something a little unorthodox, the backwaters of Alleppey are considered one of the snazziest sweet spot for Valentine's Day. Given its breathtaking greenery, refreshing waters, unique houseboats and whatnot. Key attractions in Alleppey. Marari and Alleppey beaches, the backwaters of Kuttanad and Krishnapuram places to visit in Alleppey that are recommended on your trip to this incredible honeymoon place in India. Approximate budget for a couple is around 5,500 per day. Manali. When it comes to best budget destinations in India for honeymoon, Manali is a place everyone is familiar with. No matter if you are with your spouse, traveling solo or with your family, the many things to do in Manali can be enjoyed by everyone. From pure, unadulterated natural beauty to rooms with heavenly views of snow-covered mountains, Manali beaches with its scenic beauty and adventurous sports. This heavenly honeymoon place in India has everything you need to set the right mood for your romantic getaway. Key attractions in Manali. Rohtang Pass, Brigu Lake, Great Himalayan National Park and Solang Valley are some of the most popular spots in Manali. Approximate budget for a couple is around 4,000 per day. Srinagar. To finish off our list on a high note, we have none other than the heaven on earth. Srinagar is the best budget destination in India for honeymoon, which is as beautiful as it can get to spend a perfect romantic vacation for newlyweds. This Kashmiri city is easily on every Indian traveler's bucket list and for obvious reasons is also the biggest wish of all couples looking for a memorable honeymoon destination in India. From snow-clad summits to gardens full of flowers, this is everything you can imagine for a perfect honeymoon to be. Key attractions in Srinagar. The best way to enjoy a visit to this beauteous honeymoon place in India is by accommodating in a signature houseboat. There are a number of flower gardens of national value like the Nishat Bagh and Shalimar Bagh also. Dal Lake is a must visit. Approximate budget for a couple is around 4,500 per day. So, taking a cue from these absolute best budget destinations in India for honeymoon, you can now plan the perfect honeymoon for a splendid time with your sweetheart. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Alekhya Anudip, and don't forget to click bell icon. Thank you.